హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఈరోజు మనం కటర్ జాయింట్స్ విత్ స్లీవ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలనేది చూద్దాం. కటర్ జాయింట్స్ విత్ స్లీవ్. కటర్ జాయింట్స్ విత్ స్లీవ్స్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో మనం చూద్దాం. Before going this, what is cutter and what is sleeve? That is the main important thing you should know. So here I am giving some simple explanation about this. Okay. For this, here we are going to see one shaft. Just like this. Here having one hole. Okay, in this hole we are going to fix sleeve like this. Okay, this part is inserted in here. That is the thing, cutter and the bearing slot. So this is sleeve and this is cutter. You can fix it. Now here this is, we can see this one in a simple way. It's look like this. It's look like, okay, in two-dimensional view we are seeing like this. So this is called a locking arrangement. Now here we are going to fix some nut. Okay, and then you can fix it like this. This is called locking arrangement. Okay, and now here we are going to see then another one is here. So now this is called a shaft, and now in upper side is going to fix like sleeve. Here. This is the place to fix the sleeve. Here is to fix the sleeve space, and then now here also having hole of this like this. Okay, this is shaft. Now I highlighted this shaft, and see, I highlighted this shaft. This portion is coming, this is entirely shaft, and now this is the sleeve position. Got it? And then now here he is having one like here it is coming to point like this. See here. Now I highlighted this thing. this is only for your understanding. Okay, you don't draw like this in examination point of view. Okay, this is for your understanding diagram, and after we will go to see how to draw in examination this the type of things. Okay, and now here also having bottom, this is have like this, and then this is the portion, and then like this. So this is sectional cut. It representation is meaning is sectional cut. Okay, this is half part we are going to remove. Okay, so this is coming from entire round shape. Okay, this is a shaft, and this is one sleeve. We can consider this is sleeve and this is shaft. Once no, this is cutter and this is shaft. Now we are going to fix the shaft inside the cutter, and after we are going to locking with the help of sleeve. Locking with the help of sleeve like this. This is sleeve and this is cutter, and then this is called shaft. Okay, in problems the given shaft diameter, so the shaft diameter is given. So then how to draw the sleeve, cutter and the shaft, how to fix it. Okay, we are going to see that one. So this is for our idea. Look at here, in this whole part we are going to take this sleeve and fix in here. Okay, and that thing is coming from lock. Okay, so now here we are going to see and original two-dimensional diagram how to draw in exam point of view. For example, diameter is given. Okay, then we are having some idea about the shaft and cutter. So I'm going to draw, here is one axis, central axis line, and so first of all I am going to draw this shaft. Okay, enter this shaft, but see this is the axis. I am going to draw, I drawn axis like this, and now I am going to draw this shaft. Okay, so shaft I am going to draw shaft now. You take projection line, take projection line and then draw this line. But before going to this, how much length we need? So how much length we need means, here this distance is coming from 8D, and then here to, okay, here distance, that means the shaft end is coming from here 4D, that is the 0.4D. Okay, you can take 0.4D. Example is given. For example, 20 is given here, shaft diameter. Shaft diameter is given in 20. Okay, and shaft is coming from this. So this is given 20. So then this is given 20. So 8 into 20, how much? 160. So then here 160 plus 4D plus 4D. That means 160 plus 4 into 20, sorry, 0.4 into 20, and then plus 0.4 into 20. So this is gap, and here also I have gap now. This is also 0.4D, 0.4D, 0.4D plus 8D. Okay, so we are going to multiply this D, 20. This is called D is equal to 20. Then here you calculate 0.4 into D, 8 into D, 0.4 into D. So we will get the total distance of this. Okay, and the total distance it will come means we can draw the approximate lines like this. Total distance approximately lines. Okay, and then the shaft is going complete like this. Now here we are going to see the shaft. You can draw dark lines, no problem. Why? Because this is multiple end. Like this. Okay. So shaft is ready and the cutter is ready. So then here we are going to fix another one shaft of about this, and how to take this thing is coming from here. We are going to see then this height. So we need to find out this height also. Okay, this height is coming to here 1.3 D. You can take 1.3 D, and okay, here to here 0.4 D. You can take 0.4 D. Okay, then fix it 1 point. Here to here 0.4 D. The distance calculate and fix this point. Take drafter and project this thing height. But how much height it will come? That is the most important thing. So then here that height is, you can take 2.5 D. 2.5 D, 1.5. This is coming from D. This height is coming from 1.3 D, and this height is coming from 2.5 D. Okay. Once you can find out this height, and then draw the lines, projection lines only. You can draw only projection lines. Okay. And now I am going to measure this distance. Here to here distance is how much? 0.4 D. Okay, and then now here we are going to fix here the point, another point, here to here, here to here, this distance. So this distance is, you can take 1.3 D. Okay, and then 1.3 D you can going to fix some amount of tapered distance. It will come like this. You can fix this 1.3 D. Okay, and bottom side we are going to see in 1.3 D. You can draw like one straight line, and here to here distance is, you can take you just take this distance. See here this distance. Okay, this is coming from 0.1 D. So here we take 0.1 D, and now here to here we are going to draw like this. See this, here one sleeve like this, from taper position it will come. Okay, so this is the main thing. Okay, and then now we are going to see here sleeve to another one, that is called 1.2 D. Now we are going to draw thickness in here. Same time similarly here also. So here also. And then now here to here distance you can take 1.2 D. Okay, so 1.2 D. It will come here also similarly. Take one straight line and 1.1 D. Here also you can take, this distance is called 0.1 D. Then it will come some taper shape like this. Okay, and now we are going to see in here shaft. central axis, you can take some central axis like this. Okay, and similar procedure you just follow here to here. 1.3D, 1.2D. Yes, this is similar procedure. Like this, okay. And then now here is the shaft. Okay. This is sleeve. Here is we are going to fix sleeve. Series like this. It will have some other endings. We are going to draw like this. Okay, you can take some length also. Like this. We are going to fix like this. Here also. The sleeve is here. We are going to fix like this. And then the height. So look at this, the diagram. Here is hidden lines. So like this, here also hidden lines. And now this is the shaft. You can take directly. Draw like this, and now this is hidden lines. That's the thing in here. In here. So this is highlighted, you can see the diagram. And then now here we see some gap is there. Okay, you can fix this gap with